Welcome to a quick guide on one of the fastest and most convenient ways to cross the English Channel, the Eurotunnel Le Shuttle. Operating between Calais and Folkstone, Le Shuttle carries you and your car directly through the Channel Tunnel in just 35 minutes. Simply drive onto the train at the terminal in Calais, near Calais. Once aboard, you stay in your vehicle for the entire journey, making it a hassle-free and comfortable experience. Welcome to my channel Traveling MJ. Le Shuttle trains run frequently throughout the day, with up to 4 departures per hour. It's perfect for families or anyone looking for a smooth and speedy crossing. Arrive at the Eurotunnel Calais terminal at least 30 to 45 minutes before your scheduled departure time. They recommend arriving early to allow time for check-in. During holiday season it could get very busy. Upon arrival, follow signs to the check-in booths. You'll need your booking reference, from email or app, and your passport or ID ready for inspection. There are cafes and rest areas at the terminal. You can relax and stretch out your legs before boarding the train. Once you've checked in, you'll be directed to passport control for UK-bound travelers. They may ask for customs or border control information, especially after Brexit, to verify your documents. After border checks, you'll proceed to the vehicle loading area. Follow the signs to the shuttle loading lanes. This is where your vehicle will be loaded onto the train. Drive your car onto the train platform. There will be clear lane markers, and staff will guide you on where to park your car. Relax during the 35-minute journey. The train moves at high speeds, up to 160 km per hour or 100 miles per hour, so you'll be across the channel in no time. If you're traveling with pets, make sure your pet is secure in your car during the crossing. If needed, you can bring them to the designated pet area while the train is in motion. The deboarding starts in few minutes after arriving at the terminal. Once you exit the terminal, you'll be on your way to explore the UK or continue your journey. Don't forget to drive on the opposite side. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.